Small tutorial how to remove taillights on Mercedes 124. It's very simple to do on your own, and let's start by opening the trunk. And now we have full access to the taillight. Let's start removal process. We want to start by opening this taillight box, and here you can find all the light bulbs in case you need to replace any of them. Let's put this aside, and what we now need to do is to undo this 6 8mm bolts. After bolts are removed, we could wiggle this out. Now we want to push this outside in order to remove it, and it could be stuck if you did not change it for a long time, so you could maybe try to take this and try to wiggle it out like this, and you would see it will pop out fairly easily. And that would be it. In case you have any rust here, I suggest you fix this before putting a new taillight back. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.